Who's Tom, you ask? Is that the answer you seek? Well, sit down then, take a load off, and plainly I'll speak. And from the hills of West Virginia to the backwoods of Kentucky, buckle up, here we go. Count yourself lucky. A product of passion, a Baptist preacher to boot, with a spirited mother, a fact no one would refute. He gleaned wisdom from Dad and diction from Mom. This combo together formed our dear old sweet Tom. Now sprinkle in some language and a dusting of Johnny Cash, a country boy with gumption and stories to rehash. Never wanting for words or having met a stranger, he honed this ability from birth, yes, straight from the manger. Making people feel loved, making people feel warm, a personality and presence outside of the norm. Spoken words are finite, like the truths you reveal. What people remember most is simply the way you make them feel. Tom lives by this mantra, made it a part of his creed. A conversation with Tom results with a compliment guaranteed. So that's Tom, but why coffee? I'm glad that you asked. The reason is clear and can easily be grasped. The warmth and delight that exists at Tom's core is similar to coffee. Yes, each and every pour. Jolt that's required and makes us all beam. The start of every morning, 2 sugar, 1 cream. A coffee and compliment both make a splash, energizing the day to elude our next crash. With each beverage made to order, right there on the spot. Select from our menu, iced, frozen, or hot. There are no questions, queries, or qualms. Hankering good coffee? Call Travelin Tom's.